lose our golf carts. I'm scared.
We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
You know how long it would take for us to walk the amount of distance we've driven today?
Path goes left. Yeah, it'd take a long time, yeah.
I will give it to the game though. This island, there's a lot to do here. What is it?
Rope?
Which goes down?
Yeah.
Can we repel? Or
Nope.
is this... Oh, I fell. Ouch.
Did you take a lot of damage?
Oh,
Hi, how are you?
yeah. So, I think he's taking a nap.
Oh, is he? Let's wake him up.
What if I, like...
Oh!
Boom. Oh, flashlight.
Flashlight! Let's get go!
That's...
Can't carry any more vodka bottles.
Okay, so it does run on batteries.
Yeah, you have to recharge them with batteries.
You can combine it with something? Oh, batteries.
Oh, excuse me.
Well, that was a good detour. I'll give it to you.
Spicy energy drink.
Oh, yeah, give me the
Flavors. Thermal
cart
grape,
that's further in
honey
the back.
banana,
Okay.
and chillin' cherry. Spicy.
I can't tell. Well, yeah, I guess, yeah. This way. Bye, skunk. Bye, skunk. Alright, time for the fun stuff.
Oh, he didn't sound too happy about us being here.
Nope. And come on, roll.
Uh-oh.
All right, cool.
Risky.
Just fine.
It,
What's up? Oh, it's fine.
I'm stuck.
I one-shot him. What the fuck?
Yeah, the axes are very strong.
Goodbye, RJ.
Thank you. Oh, you rolling?
And you're fine. Cool. Are you pushing me?
I was giving you a little jump start.
Oh,
Where are we going?
that's not right.
By the way,
Straight off the edge.
I meant more
Living on the
specifically.
edge. Back home.
Okay, I'm stuck on a tree.
Oh, you are too? Cool. All right, I'm fine.
It's like up the tree. How do I push it?
Yeah. I just went left and right until it moved
No,
around.
like.
Yeah. You'll be fine. Here, I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry about it.
Like chopping down the tree instead of just pushing the cart. Oh, well.
Yep.
Oh, you know what would be cool is if we could make trailers for the golf cart to like haul logs. Because I know they have the sleds that you can make, but it'd be cool if you could.
Ow!
What the?
Ow! That
What
hurt.
just happened?
You ran me over. You ran me over.
You doing okay?
You tried hitting me before, and it just made the thunk sound. Didn't even hurt me. That one actually hurt a lot.
Maybe you have to be going like a
Wow.
specific speed.
Maybe. Actually, I think we're supposed to go on the left path. There's no water coming up, so I know there should be no creeks. There
Oh,
are trees,
God.
though.
There's
Careful
too
with the
much-
trees.
Tall brush.
And made it to the path.
Such an excellent navigator, Esky. That was a rabbit. Just kill the rabbit.
Pride myself in my navigation skills. Alright, we're gonna come up here, get to a fork, take a left.
Not gonna lie, survival is pretty easy. No, I don't know why
Yeah.
Bear Grylls always struggled with this so much.
Okay, left here. Especially when you have a golf cart that can just wipe out all the vegetation.
It's
Easy.
a survival must, you know? You've got to have it.
Mm-hmm. Camp.
Oh, it's like, why are we stopping? Oh my god, he just beheaded that guy.
Yeah,
Can't
get the
get
runner.
away from me.
Cool. I'm the gingerbread man.
Can't carry any more heads. Sad.
100 printer resin.
Skin patch. Nice, a zipline rope.
Why do I have printer resin?
So you can print things. Why else would you have it? That's good.
Yeah, but like, what's that going to be used for here?
Printing.
It's just in my inventory. I can't equip it. I
Although
can't
living on the beach might seem like a
craft
dream,
with
you
it.
can't
Like
struggle.
what?
It might be like a key item we need later. I'm gonna open my skin patch.
All right.
Nice, got some more tape. Let's go. Oh, and some meds. It's
You
crazy
got a
good.
skin pouch?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't see a skin pouch.
Oh, it was just in one of the tents.
Oh. Oh well. I've already driven off.
I see that.
You said you wanted to get home.
Wow, I do. Oh my god, what is this song? It sounds like Jack Black.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, he's on the same station?
I think so, yeah. I wasn't sure what you were listening to until you said it sounds like Jack Black. I'm like, ooh, right.
Oh my god.
And left here, and
Recovering
we're almost
from-
home. We can see it.
Recovering from steering is difficult.
Yeah. I think it'd be better on controller.
Is there controller support for this game?
I don't know.
Oh. Because I was going to say, I
just
actually
think
had
the
my
steering
controller.
itself would be better.
That's fair. I had my controller in from when I was playing Evil Within. I was going to record some more Bendy today, but I got a little absorbed with the story in Evil Within. It's getting interesting. I don't know, it's starting to make a little bit more sense.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think I just ran Kelvin over.
Not Kelvin.
You mean he's fine, probably.
Yeah, we were definitely listening to the same song.
Oh, I don't want to break
Why
my
are these
track.
back here? I broke these leg and chest sticks before.
They might just be like a world spawning thing.
Yeah. Oh man, those are definitely done now. Oh yeah.
Do I have any? I don't. What am I hearing? Is it you? Are you sick?
Possibly, yeah.
Why'd
yeah.
you leave the
I
golf
ate
cart
a
over there?
Cannibal arm. Because it's happy. It's with its people.
It's with its people. All right.
I didn't realize how small this fireplace was. Rocks and up here. I think it's rocks, right? Oh no. Stones. Kelvin, no. Kelvin. It's get stones and that's the big ones. Because the others are called rocks. Yeah. Small rock and rock. Let's double check, make sure you do it right. Yeah, you get them stones. Good job. We're building a wall.
Very nice. Back to not being able to see.
Don't you have a flashlight?
I do, but I don't want to waste batteries.
Yeah. You'll be fine.
Also, I don't think these trees are tall enough to be able to build a proper tree shelter, you know? I feel like I'd be wasting.
That's what I thought too, yeah.
It's okay. We can find a different area. Oh, there's a guy.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah. What's up, Kelvin?
And these skull lamps don't really do a lot for us, do they?
Nope.
What are you working on? Rocks?
A wall. Rock wall. You like the wall around the, building a wall around the fireplace over here.
Hmm.
Oh, hey, the cloth and the rope over here respawned. Can't pick up the rope, but I can at least pick up the cloth. What are you doing here?
Making a garage.
Oh, nice.
Is that the broken radio?
Yeah. Oh, we have people here. Alright, 2 down. Ow, I died. I think I got one of them at least.
I think he took him out.
Nice. Good job, Kelvin.
All right, that's coming along nicely.
Kelvin, I was gonna split that, buddy. And he just grabbed it to go throw it in the. God. You're helpful, but you're not, you know, buddy. All right, that one's done.
Okay. Well, that's cute.
Oh! Hold up. Nope, that didn't work. This right here. This right about. Why can't I? Shut up for a second.
My status is yelling at me. I'm
Here we go.
hungry and thirsty and tired. Well, it sounds like Kelvin is busy bringing down some trees. Do we want to sleep?
I mean, we can.
What the?
Ha.
Oh, I see.
We have people. We have people. I'm down.
No. I wanted to pick you up, not go through your backpack.
I'm thirsty.
They were attacking our garage.
Ow, I'm down. Again.
I'm also
I didn't
down.
even see this one. Alright. Well, at least we're at the base anyways.
Are we gonna get captured again? Do we have to spawn in their camp?
I
Like
hope
5 feet
not.
from us?
I hope.
Yep.
Ah, God dang it, RJ.
What? I didn't do it.
I know, but you called it. You called it into existence.
What? Alright, now.
This is the same camp.
I know.
The same one we got spotted last time.
I'm down again. I got one hit.
Ow, I knocked him down, but I got downed.
Well, let's let's get our backpack again.
Yay.
12 seconds later.
See, now we should probably go and sleep.
Probably.
Oh, look, there's Crunchy Munchies. They're yelling. Don't yell at me.
Watch out, watch out. God dang.
I'm not playing that game.
Skin pouch.
Skin patch. Alright, let's get out of here.
I just realized what the skin pouches probably are, like,
What?
referencing.
What is it?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Okay.
I got snowberries. I can make poison arrows?
That makes sense. Oh, did you ever find this guy down the river? Did we ever get his head?
Nope. I don't think he was there when we got back.
Rip. Alright. Now I'm gonna go rest. Oh, hi, Calvin. Oh, I forgot I have to hold it. Yeah, let's save. Oh. Alright. That was good. Well, what now, Esky? Want to call it there? Want to keep going?
We can call it there.
Okay. My god, there's a lot of rocks here. Do these respawn? I swear I cleaned up all the ones in this area before. Oh my god, why do I chuck those so...
Yeah, it looks like the rocks respawn.
These are big chunks. So the big ones are rocks, and then the little ones are stones, yeah? Or is it the other way
No, the
around?
big ones are stones, the little ones are rocks.
Hmm.
It's a little weird, but yeah.
That does seem a little backwards to me. But that's okay.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Alright. Let me save, and then I can take us out. I have an arm cooking.
I have multiple things cooking. They're actually all burnt.
Where'd you find a skin? Oh, it's probably the same skin patch I found.
Yeah.
Oh, it's burning him. You can burn the bodies. You just sitting on them. Is it comfy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's nice and comfy. Oh my god. This is why we need a bonfire.
Probably, yeah. Sorry, we'll work on that next time.